Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, our guide for nursing students. In this video, let's check out the largest and smallest in human body. Many resources states that there are 79 organs in the human body. But according to recent research, there may be even more organs in the body. This includes the interstitium, a structure that some experts think this is the new biggest organ. Here let's watch largest and smallest in human body. Number 1. Largest organ and smallest organ in our body. The largest organ. The skin is our largest organ and adults carry 3.6 kg and 22 square feet of it. A skin protects us from microbes, helps to regulate body temperature and permits the sensation of touch, heat and cold. The smallest organ. The pineal gland is a small reddish grey body located near the center of brain in a groove between hemispheres. It is approximately 8 mm in size. It produces melatonin and it helps to regulate biological rhythms such as sleep and wake cycles. Hence, it is regarded as biological clock in our body. Number 2. Largest and smallest gland. The largest gland. The liver is the largest gland in human body. It is also the largest internal organ. It weighs approximately 1.44 to 1.66 kg. It is the only organ that can regenerate. It helps in bile production, metabolism, storage, filtration, immunological function, etc. The smallest gland is pineal gland. Number 3. Largest and smallest nerve. The largest nerve is sciatic nerve. Sciatic nerve is the largest and longest spinal nerve in the human body. It extends from lumbar and sacral plexus in the lower back and it runs through buttocks and into the thighs. The smallest nerve. Trochlear nerve is the smallest nerve in terms of the number of axons it contains. It is the only cranial nerve that exits from the dorsal aspect of brain stem. The longest cranial nerve. The longest cranial nerve is the vagus nerve and it is the complex cranial nerve and it runs from the brain through the face and thorax to the abdomen. And the smallest cranial nerve is trochlear nerve. Number 4. The largest cell in female body. Ovum is the female reproductive cell and this is the largest cell and can be seen without the aid of microscope. It is 1 mm in diameter. The smallest cell in male body. The smallest cell in male body is sperm and it is a male reproductive cell and these cells are small in volume. Head of the sperm cell measures about 4 micrometers in length. Number 5. The longest and smallest cell in human body. The longest cell in human body. Neurons. Neurons are the fundamental unit of brain and nervous system. The cell body is approximately 100 microns in diameter and the axon is about 1 meter in length. The smallest cell in human body is granule cells of cerebellum. It is approximately 4 micrometer to 4.5 micrometer in size. Number 6. The longest and smallest bone in our body. Longest bone. The femur is the longest and strongest bone in the human body. It extends from the hip to the knee. Length of the femur in an average adult is approximately 45 to 48 centimeter. The smallest bone. Stapes is the smallest bone in our body. The stapes is a stirrup-shaped bone in the middle ear and it measures roughly 2.6 to 3.4 millimeter. Number 7. Muscles. the largest, smallest and longest muscles in our body. The largest muscle, the gluteus maximus, is the largest muscle in the human body. The smallest muscle, stapedius, is the smallest muscle in the human body. It measures approximately 1 millimeter in length. It helps to stabilize the smallest bone in the body, that is the stapes. Longest muscle, the sartorius muscle is the longest muscle in the human body. It is a long, thin, superficial muscle that runs down the length of the thigh in the anterior compartment. Number 8. Artery. The largest artery. Aorta is the largest artery in human body. It begins at the top of the left ventricle. The smallest artery is arterioles. Number 9. Vein. The largest vein. Inferior vena cava is the largest vein of the human body. It carries deoxygenated blood from the lower and middle body into the right atrium of heart. And the smallest vein is venules. And the longest vein, great saphenous vein, is the longest vein in our body. It is a major superficial vein and it extends from the top of the foot to the upper thigh and groin. Number 10. Salivary gland. The parotid glands are the largest salivary glands. Sublingual gland is the smallest salivary gland in our body. Number 11. Blood cells. The largest blood cell. Monocytes are the largest blood cell in our body and the smallest blood cells are platelets. Number 12. Brain. The largest area of brain. Cerebrum is the largest part of brain, making about 2/3 of brain's mass. And the smallest region of brain is the midbrain.